Hello everyone! Samahan niyo ulit akong magluto ng another vegetable dish. This is cauliflower with bottom mushroom and pork belly. Ingredients: cauliflower, ang ating garlic, and then ang ating marinated pork belly, and then, of course, ang ating bottom mushroom, seasoning, ang ating white pepper, oyster sauce, light soy sauce. And then, hot lang tayo ng pan. Add tayo ng a little bit of oil. And then, saute natin ang ating pork belly in 1 minute. Yan. After 1 minute, remove it. In the same pan, lagay naman natin yung ating garlic. Saute ang garlic. And then, saute naman again yung ating bottom mushroom. Add ng a little bit of stock. And then, haluin again. Then, add na natin yung ating cauliflower. And then, add a little bit of stock. Paliparin ang kawali. Cover it in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add naman natin ang ating light soy sauce, ang ating oyster sauce, and then ang ating white pepper. And then halu-haluin, paliparin ang kawali. After that, add natin yung ating pork belly kanina. Half lang nilagay ko kasi masyadong madami. And then, add natin ang garnish na green onion and it's ready. Let's eat! Thank you for watching!